Hey guys, Pat Murphy SMS. I'm super pumped to give you guys this video today because it's a new feature video, right? This is about our new discount code feature for abandoned carts. How cool is that? Freaking awesome. So by the way, and we're going to be adding that feature to the post-purchase sequences as well, so you can include a discount code in the post-purchase. The post-purchase isn't available yet. It'll be available in the next few days, but this video is about the discount code for the abandoned carts. So this is going to help you guys recover those abandoned carts even more, make more money off of those recoveries than you have been so far with Dash SMS, because now you're able to auto embed discounts. So let me go over and show you how this is done. But before I do that, I want to show you guys and get you guys in the psychology or mentality of how sequencing actually works and how to make it even more effective, because I've been getting a lot of questions over the past week about the sequences and how do I have my sequences set up. I don't run my own store anymore, but this is how I would technically set this up. So if you're inside of the campaign section in the abandoned carts, the way I would do it is I have 4 sequences. Now you can do whatever you want. You can have 3 sequences. You can disable this 4th sequence if you want, or you can have 10 sequences. It's up to you. You can create as many sequences as you want. But I like to have 4 sequences. That's why the default is 4. So the way I'll set this up typically is the very first sequence, I don't have a discount, no discount. So this one is going to be sent out instantly. So if the minute a person abandons their cart, it instantly sends out sequence 1. You'll notice I put a 1 there, no discount. The second one shoots out 30 minutes later. So if they don't take action for the instant one, then I shoot them a second one 30 minutes later. That's a no discount. I don't give a discount on that one either. On the third one, which is 7 hours after cart abandonment, if they don't take these two, if they didn't convert in these 2 sequences, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to give them a discount, okay? And then I'm also going to do the same for the fourth. I'm going to make the discount even higher. So let's take a look at what our sequences are so you can kind of get in the psychology of the consumer and as the Shopify store seller, what you need to look at. So click on more actions and then edit. All right, so I've custom tailored my sequences the way you should. By the way, if you haven't edited your sequences yet, please do make it your own. My stuff is okay. I put it in there, but always try to tweak and perfect it. So it says, hello, first name. This is store name. Again, the store name is pulled from your settings section inside of general settings of Shopify. So it'll say, hello, Dan, or whatever the first name is. This is Shoppiness. We've noticed you forgot to check out. Luckily, we saved your number for faster. We saved your order for faster processing. Here's the checkout URL. That's the checkout URL, the special URL that brings the user back to their checkout, right? Wherever they abandoned, it's going to bring them back right to checkout, so it's easy for them to check out. This is our direct number pull for faster processing through SMS. And then I list the phone number, the store phone number, and then to stop receiving messages, unsubscribe. I always put unsubscribe because if people don't want to see your messages, then why waste the credits? I always put an unsubscribe. So this is my first message. Now, if you put duration 0 and then change it to minutes and click on save, it's going to be instant. Okay. Then my second one reads like this. This is sent out 30 minutes after the first one if the person did not buy. Let us know if you have any questions about this product that I can help you with. Then I list the checkout URL again, so the user has a way to check out. And then I put, you can text us back at this number. Very simple, right? So in this one, 1 and 2, no discount. But now 7 hours later, and you can change the hours obviously to whatever you want, but I do it every 7 hours later. For the third one, what I'll end up doing is use a discount. So over here, I'm going to say, sorry to bother you, Paul, because now it's the third message, this time 7 hours later. The product you were looking to purchase is almost sold out. Here is a 199 peso discount, but it's only valid for the next 24 hours. Here's the checkout URL, or text us at the number below if you require assistance. Store name and store phone number. So you'll notice that this one's a little bit different because I have selected has discount code. and I have 197 discount code over there that's applied, right? And then on my second one, on my fourth one, I have hello first name. We're down to the last 5 pieces, last chance to get it. Also, I got you the best deal I could. If you buy within the 1 hour and within the next hour, Paul, we will take 250 off the total price. Claim discount. Here's my checkout URL. Thank you for your business. All right, so now I'm upping the ante on the last abandoned cart. I'm offering more, right? Because it's like one of my last chance to get that customer through the door. So I increase my discount on the fourth. All right, so where are these discounts coming from and how do I create price-based discounts or percentage-based discounts? It's taking it from the discount section of Shopify. So Dash SMS directly pulls from the data within your discounts. So if you go to discounts, and I'm going to create a new discount because I had one for 197, but I'm going to go ahead and make one for, let's do the discount for 160. Okay. So I'm going to put 160, and you can do percentage, fixed, or free. Don't do the buy X, get Y. We're not doing that. Percentage, fixed, or free. You're not going to have a problem with these 3 discounts with Dash. So I do fixed. We'll do 160 pesos off because it matches the message that I have now. If you said I'll take 10% off, then great. But 160 pesos is a bigger number, even though 20% might be more. Just because the number looks bigger, I always go for that. So I like the peso values. 160 off, and then make it for the entire order. It's not going to work for specific collections or products. Please take note. These discounts are entire order discounts. Then everything else over here, you can limit the discounts if you want, but I don't. I just keep everything default. I save that discount code and now it's a 160 peso discount. So now I'm going to go inside of Dash SMS because I've created that discount already. I'm going to go back into my campaigns, and in the campaign section, I'm going to go ahead and change this one from 197 to 160, right? We're going to play with those numbers a little bit. I don't want to give too much money away. So here, now you'll see that we have 160 appeared because I've created that discount already. And you'll notice that there's a red option here that says the variable checkout is required. Why? Because what we're doing is, if you recall this checkout URL that you see over here, this checkout URL is the abandoned checkout that person, the person that abandoned cart, the system saved their checkout. And now what we're doing is we're auto applying a discount to their saved checkout. How cool is that? It's freaking awesome. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and save this, but let me refresh this because my thing got stuck here. Come on, converge. Converge has been a little bit slow for me the last couple of days, guys. Here we go. We're going to change this to 160. All right, cool. Select discount code 160, and we're going to go ahead and save that. All right. So now the discount code here, let's just double check it again. Yeah, it's saved. Perfect. So now this is a 160 discount. This is a 250 discount. Now you guys know how to make discounts and apply them, right? So what does it look like? For this test, what I'm going to do is I'm going to deactivate the first 2 sequences that I have, just so I can trigger 2 sequences for you, the 2 discount sequences. All right, so we're going to make this one instant. So let's make this 0 hours, which will make it instant. Anything that's 0 makes it instant, whether that's hours or minutes. Just put 0, and then now it's instant. And this one, we're going to set this for 1 minute just so I can see. I don't have, that's why, so I don't have to wait a whole long time to get the other discount code. So one after the next. So I'm going to go ahead and abandon my own shopping cart, my own store, and get those text messages. In the next few seconds, you'll see exactly what this looks like. All right, guys, so here is what the text message actually looks like on my phone. So you remember we did this one for the 160. Actually, I forgot to change this to 160 in my message. So don't ever forget that. You make sure that they're consistent, right? If my thing says 160 the discount, you got to make sure it's 160 here, or else it's going to be messed up in your text. So I made a mistake there, but you guys can see that it came through, and then 1 minute later I got this one for the 250 off. So let's go ahead and click on the first one, and this should be 160, right? Is the discount that I've applied over here. So we're just going to take a look, and you can see that it actually auto applied a 160 peso discount to the actual uh, package, the total for that product, that abandoned cart that I did. So the other one, I'm going to go ahead and remove this. We're going to go back and we're going to click on the this one for the 250. Click on the Ready Ink link, and we're going to click on that, and now you see it's 849. So now it deducted 250. So you see how that works? It will auto apply the discount as long as the discount's in the system. As long as your discount is in the system, it will apply it uh, over here in the checkout URL. Just make sure your wording is consistent. So I should have put 160 here just to achieve consistency. You know what I mean? There you go. So that is a review on how the abandoned carts work with discounts. So you have to create the discount first. And once you create the discount, then you can go ahead and you can apply it inside of the message. So get creative, play around with these new features. They're awesome, and it's going to make you guys tons of money. So set them up again, like the way I have it set up. I have no discounts for the first two, and then the last two, the number 3 and number 4 sequence, that's where I play around with discounts. But it's up to you guys how you use discounts. I just wanted to show you that it works and how it works and what customers see when they receive the message. If you guys have any questions, hit us up in the live chat, bottom left-hand corner of the app. Thanks. We'll see you on the next video.